Thank you, Nsele. But is this what the rest of my life is going to be like? A moment of happiness, punctured by a memory of what happened, like a bomb that could detonate at any time. Say, if a man is meant to always appear strong, in control of his emotions, is self-reliant, and is not a victim, then how do you expect him to tell you when he's struggling? When he's scared of losing control? When he feels lonely? When he was sexually abused? I was sexually abused, and I don't care anymore for society's approval of me. Whether you believe me or judge me, I don't care. Whether you see me less of a man or even question my sexuality, I don't care. What should always be important is that I said no. And even if you're wondering as to whether I changed to being gay, that is, before, after I was victimized, or was always gay, I don't care. What's important, what should always be important, is that I said no. I said no, right? I said no. And I often forget how young I was.